Okay. This is part we reunite with Jamal. Poor Jamal. I accidentally left Jamal outside all through fall. Yeah, because it's not winter yet. Fall. That's Jamal.
October disaster. He went through that.
Yeah. Okay, let's ride him hard.
Yeah.
If he's not rusted.
To the streets.
To the streets. To the streets. This is Dale's car. That's my mommy's car. Say hi to the neighbors. Okay. You're now in the streets. Go ride. Go ride dirty.
I'm gonna ride dirty.
The tire's flat. Katie, there's a car coming. Say hi to the car as it comes by. The boy is actually pretty cute. Oh God.
I think I broke something. You like that trick? Huh? You like that trick? You like that trick?
Here, let me ride it.
This is Jessica. She's gay. Jessica. Crack kills. Book it. It's rough on the streets. It's rough on the streets.
It is pretty rough. Look at this car. It is rough.
I swear to God,
Is he going to Drew House?
he is. It's my turn. It's my baby.
Okay. Oh my God!
No
It's
problem.
like it's stuck. This is a reuniting. Oh, Kitty! Kitty! Anyways, this is. Kitty's trying to attack it. Okay, this is a reuniting of Jamal. Reuniting. Katie does hops on Jamal.
I ride him hard.
She does.
I'm gonna go for the long haul here, because I could go all night, baby. All night. Wait.
Don't you love how I said hi to that kid and he was a dickhead about it?
I don't really. Just come to the fucking car.
Hey, Katie! I'm trying to run. Sorry for the bounciness of the video. I'm trying to keep.
I don't know if that squeak is a good idea.
Say hi to Drusina's house, Tony's, Carissa's, some kid over there. Okay, I gotta stop that. Dude, let's go to the canal.
Yeah, stop the video.
Ah.